Open this, and you keep this, and you try to keep everything as clean as you can. You put it, insert it in the rectum, just gently. You can lower the tail sometimes, and that'll help. Twist it. It's okay, buddy. I know, but we get poop. See, so we've got the poop on the end of the thing. Sometimes you can see it, sometimes you can't.
Okay.
Then you push it back in your tube.
Okay.
And you're going to squeeze this bubble, and it breaks. It'll break. You just, did you hear it break?
Yeah, I heard it click.
Okay, so once it clicks, then you're going to squeeze it 5 times. And all you're doing is just squeezing. You're getting that poop is what you're doing. You're getting that poop in that solution. See how it's getting the...
Yes.
Okay.
It's going from the top to the bottom.
And then you, once it gets in there like that, then you pull it up, and it's going to pull it actually up into this so we can get... See how it's pulled up in here? Let me show you. Okay. So we squeezed it 5 times, and you kind of turn it because you're just wanting it to get good in there. And then you hold that, and then you suck it back up, and it goes back up in this top of this tube again.
Okay.
Okay. So then we're going to take this, and you see there's 3 dots on it right there.
Yes.
So we're going to put we're going to put 5 drops in this larger chamber down here at the bottom.
Okay.
And then I'll show you what happens. Sorry. So we're going to put 5 drops in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you'll watch, you squeeze the bubble. Now watch, see how it's wicking up through here? See how it's wicking up? When it hits this hole up here, then we're going to push it down. We're going to see it. When you see it in that little hole, because it takes it a minute to wick up there.
Is this what
See
we call
it?
a
Do you
snap
see it right
test?
there? Yeah. And then we push it down, and you'll hear it.
Okay.
And now we just let it sit. I'm going to put it back in the car so it'll be just a little bit warmer. But you kind of keep it on a flat surface.
Is it set to a timer or just wait?
I'm sure.
And what kind of results are we looking for?
So what's going to happen is you're going to get a control dot. That's going to be the first dot that you're probably going to see. The whole this part right here where it wicked up into first, it's going to turn white. See how it's turning white?
It's going back.
And then remember there was the 3 dots?
So
you're going to have a control dot, and the control dot's at the top. Remember those 3 in a triangle. The 2 on the sides, if either one of those is blue also, then the dog's positive.
Okay. So the first one tells us that the test is working.
That's right. That's our control dot. That's what we're waiting for right now. And I'm sure there's a time. Chris will have to tell you the time. I don't know. I just kind of... And sometimes your parvos on each side will pop before your control dot will, but your control dot will come up. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Like, have you heard people say it's a high positive?
Yes.
That's what they're talking about.
Because it'll show up before it
It just was really fast. It's just really... But honestly, if you have a slow positive or a high positive, it's like being a little bit pregnant. You're either pregnant or you're not. You either have it or you don't, you know. So what's this dog doing?
Not eating.
Lift up its gums. Can I push on them? And let go immediately. Okay.
Does it look good?
Yeah, I mean, it's a little slow. This usually takes some time. Chris would have to tell us how long it is, because, I mean, I do parvo test occasionally, but normally by the time I get them, we already know they have parvo, because what's required to come in my house is a parvo test.
Right.